4. How's it going, everybody? I'm Tim Lazinski with Midwest Car Exchange out of the Chicagoland area. Today I've got an absolutely beautiful 1967 Buick Skylark. This is going to be essentially a complete survivor car with documented 14,000 original miles on the car, which is absolutely incredible, and it definitely shows. This is really just going to be a time capsule, so I'm going to kind of give you the basic rundown on what the car is and what I'm seeing, go for a nice test drive, and then do a nice walk-around video as well. So as you can see, like I said, survivor car, beautiful paint, beautiful chrome, interior is held up very, very nicely, no rips, tears in the seat. I mean, really the interior, if I could say it came off the showroom floor, you wouldn't think otherwise. Everything on the dash is very nice, no cracks in this pad up top here as well. Steering wheel looks nice and tight, no cracks there either. We're going to go through some of the features on the car. So this is going to be a 300 cubic inch V8 two-barrel car, power steering, power brakes, AM radio. This is going to be in a Verde green with a lime color top. So that's going to be all factory original to the car. Dashboard wise looks awesome. I did play with some of the features in the later portion of the video. You're going to see all the headlights working, AC is kicking on, the wipers do work, all the lights, four ways, all that good stuff. So hang tight for that portion. This part, I'm going to go ahead and take you guys around for a quick lap. Started up very easy, so it seems like it's timed out properly. Extremely smooth, no stumbling whatsoever, so it seems like it's timed out right and it's tuned well. All right, let's go for a lap. Steering is very tight, no play on the wheel. Got on the brakes good there. Didn't shoot to the side at all, so the brakes are lined up, are synced up well. So that's going to be the original AM radio in this car. Like I said, wipers are working. Headlights as well, along with all of our dash lights and even our indicator lights. So we've got our four-way flashers, that all is working, same with our turn signals as well. So doing about 35, 40 there, get on the brakes kind of hard. Wheel didn't move at all, I had my hands entirely off. So far, car is showroom nice. Plenty of get up and go there. Great car all the way around so far. Stop. Got the 50 nice and easy right there. Our vent windows are opening and working. I've got nothing bad to say about it. Hang tight for a minute, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do a nice walk around for you as well, okay?